Okay, folks, I'm getting ready to replace my purge valve that's located up under the front hood of my 2001 Lexus LS430. It's pretty simple to do. My mechanic was going to charge me $70 to do it. I understand, but it's pretty easy for me to get to. He's a pretty good mechanic. He does most of my work on my Lexus. This right here, I think I can handle myself. I got the pot from AutoZone. I forgot exactly how much I paid for it, but I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks, something like that. But anyhow, let me show you real quick where it's located at and try to get it replaced. All right. So I already took the cover off the motor, and so the purge valve is located right here. That's the purge valve. So I'm gonna take these two, loosen these two clamps, squeeze them with these needle nose pliers. Take the electrical connection off here, take this bolt off here, and lift it out. And this is the new guy that I got from AutoZone and so forth. Okay, so let me go on and get that done. Okay, so I got the two hoses disconnected, the electrical pot disconnected. Now it's time for me to just take that bolt right there and loosen it. Okay, so I got that off, and you can see how they matched up perfectly. And let's get ready to install the new one now. Okay, so I got the two clamps back on and so forth like that. And now you just hook up the electrical pot and put the bolt back on, and we should be done. Okay, so I got it all, got the clamps on, got the electrical harness hooked back up, got the bolt back in. Now I'm going to put the engine cover back on, and that should be it, folks. That should be it. Pretty simple job. Took about 5 to 10 minutes to do it and everything like that, as long as I knew what I was doing. And so that should be pretty easy for me to do. And hopefully my light goes out. And if not, it should go out maybe after 30 miles of driving or more. Okay, folks.